Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have watched the previous lesson and you have revised the things that we have learned. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. Now let's learn some vocabulary words. Let's learn to say okay or all right in Urdu. So in English we say okay or we say all right, and in Urdu we say acha. Acha. There is another way of saying okay and all right in Urdu. We also can say ठीक है. ठीक है. When we are saying okay, in Urdu we can say ठीक है, or we can say अच्छा. Then when there is something nice, we say nice in English. Like we like something, we say nice or it is nice. In Urdu we say अच्छा. अच्छा है. When we like something and we are saying it is nice, in Urdu we say अच्छा है. अच्छा है. Remember, the meaning of this acha and the okay acha is different. Nice is acha hai and okay or alright is acha. Alright? We can also say okay or alright, acha theek hai. All these three words together. Acha theek hai. Okay, acha theek hai. Or we can only say acha. Or we can say theek hai as well. Or we can say all of these words together. अच्छा ठीक है. All right. Then when we are saying nice, something is nice, then we say अच्छा है. अच्छा है. Now let's repeat one more time for better understanding, okay? So when we are saying okay or all right in English, in Urdu we say अच्छा, or we say ठीक है, or we say both of them together and we say अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, I hope that you understand that. Then when we are saying something is nice, we say अच्छा है. अच्छा है. Repeat and revise, alright? Okay, then I hope you do remember how and when to say is in Urdu. In English we say is, and in Urdu it is hai. And also we use is or hai for one thing. When we are talking about one thing or one person, we say is in English, and in Urdu hai. Then we say are in English, and in Urdu it is hain, hain. And we use are for more than one things or people, and we use hain for more than one things or people as well in Urdu. So is in Urdu hai and are in Urdu hain. And also I hope that you remember that we use hain as for respect and for elders as well. Okay, now let's practice and revise some sentences that we have learned. We say, this is a ring. And in Urdu, ye anguthi hai. We are talking about one ring, so we are using hai. And ring in Urdu, anguthi. Then we say, this is white, orange, and green. Then in Urdu we say, ye safed, naranji, और हरा है. Then we say, this is a tree. And in Urdu it is, ye darakht hai. Then in English we say, this is a flower. And in Urdu it is, ye phool hai. If we are talking about more than one flower or more than one tree or more than one ring, then how are we going to say that in Urdu? Well, for example, we are talking about more than one flower, we say, these are flowers. And in Urdu it is ये फूल हैं. So for more than one things, we say हैं. Also, notice one thing that we are saying phool for plural as well. For more than one flowers, we are saying phool. Because in Urdu, sometimes the singular and plural is said in the same way. And flower is one of those things that are said in the same way as well. Okay, so if we are talking about one flower, we say this is a flower, and in Urdu, ye phool hai. Then if we are talking about more than one flower, then we are saying these are flowers, and in Urdu, ye phool hain. We are saying hain instead of hai. Repeat and practice, okay? Alright, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with the next lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.